Piny Kenya hoyango ni ohala e kindgi kod pinje manitiere e bwo riwruok mar COMESA medo nyuolo olemo ka mwandu mawuok e pacho ka itero e COMESA bende osenyuolo yuto mar dola bilion 2.2 kaluwore kod jagoro mongirore e migawo mar ohala Regina Ombam. Kenya medo keto kenge mag jiwo ohala gi COMESA e kinde ma imedo kete ikruok motelo ne romo ma otise ni COMESA Summit ma ibiro bagi pacho ka dwe mar 10 mar higani. Gisingo bende golo ohinga ma osebedo ka duoko chien weche mag ohala e kind Kenya kod COMESA.
Yeah, thank you very much. I think we have taken it very seriously upon ourselves, and we are sure that we are going to maintain this that position.
In terms of Kenya's trade in the region, our exports in the COMESA region have been doing very well. I think in the last year we were already at 2.20 million US dollars in terms of what we export to the region, and this has been increasing over time, say from around 1.1 billion to 2.20 billion currently. So this is actually showing an increasing trend, an indication that we really have a good market within the region, and getting us also to start really thinking about how do we strengthen our competitiveness in this region in light of what is even happening globally now.
I believe that the summit that is coming ahead of us and the business-related engagements that will be taking place before will help our country to grow our exports beyond what we are doing right now. And the pride in import and export trade is we also believe that we also get a lot of imports coming in from COMESA, so that whatever the outcome is, it is win-win for COMESA and for ourselves.